A blueberry bacon jam smash burger is probably my favorite specialty smash burger out there. To get started, go ahead and smash down a 4-ounce ball of 80/20 ground beef. You're going to let this cook for about a minute. Now, the key here to a great smash burger is to cook it hot and fast. That will give it that crispy seared outside while retaining that juiciness on the inside. While you're waiting for that to cook, go ahead and assemble your toasted burger buns. Put a generous amount of garlic aioli on the bottom, and then you want to follow that up with a generous amount of blueberry bacon jam on top. Now, the type of buns don't really matter here for smash burgers. I'm just using a standard potato bun, which you can get at any grocery store. That's looking good. Okay, now once that's assembled and it's been about a minute, you can go ahead and flip your burger patty. If you've cooked it hot and fast, this is what it should be looking like. Immediately upon flipping, add 1 to 2 slices of American cheese based on personal preference, and let that cook for another minute. After a minute, it should be melted down, and you can take it off. Then just go ahead and assemble your burger and enjoy.